Good morning, sir. Good morning, madam. I am Sherlyn Clarin. I am 35 years old. I am married and a college graduate. I would like to work in Hong Kong because I know there is an opportunity to find a job and earn money so I can provide the financial needs of my family, especially for the future of my children.
Okay, Miss Clarin, I have some questions for you to be answered. If baby cries at midnight, what will you do?
I will check the baby whether he or she is wet. I will change the diaper immediately. Whether the baby is not feeling well, I will check his or her temperature. Whether the baby is hungry or thirsty, I will provide a drink or feed him or her a milk. I see to it that the baby is okay before going back to sleep.
Okay. If children are very naughty and always shout to you and hit you, what will you do to them?
I will be widen my patience to them. I take time to talk to them and ask them what they want to do. If they want to play, if they want to have a storytelling, or if they want to eat their snacks, and I will provide the food for them.
Okay. How you assist the children in crossing the street?
I will hold the children's hand, look at the traffic light, check the left side and the right side of the road. If there is no car coming, we will cross the pedestrian lane together.
Okay. If the house is on fire and you are inside with the children, what will you do?
I will secure first the safety of the children. I see to it that they are all okay. I will call immediately the fire emergency for help, and then I will call my employers and tell them what happened.
Okay. What will you do with the clothes before washing?
I will check the pockets. I will remove all the items and return it immediately to my employers. Then I will separate the white clothes from the colored clothes to avoid discoloration or stain.
Okay. If the child gets injury or fever, what will you do?
I will check the injury whether it is minor or not, and if it is minor, I will provide basic medication or first aid. And if the injury or fever persists, I will inform immediately to my employers, and if so, I will rush the child to the nearest hospital, or it depends on my employer's instructions.
Okay, Miss Clarin, will you agree to renew another contract if employer requests you?
Yes, of course. I am willing to renew my contract with them, as long as they need and like my performance and services.
Okay, Miss Clarin, what is your promise to your future employer if they will choose you to be their helper?
Sir, Madam, if you choose me to be your helper, I promise that I will do my job well. I am willing to learn everything from you so I can do my job properly. I will be honest with you. I will treat your children with love and care, and most of all, I will be respect you as my employers. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. Have a nice day.